Savannah to Macon, Georgia. Going north, so it's already coming.
She's from France.
Yeah, it already
And
flew,
so
so
I'm trying to get her, I'm trying to tell her what's going on. She's looking at me all crazy. I'm telling about the surgeries I had, so on and so forth. She's done me for 3 minutes.
He's already slowing down.
Wow.
They are slow down. It's slowing down here now. So. Slow down. Yep. We just got out of church, so we had dropped or cut one of our cousin church off. We had dropped her off for Christmas. So we slowed it down. But we saw the van before we got here. Saw the light. The air flew and it slowed down here. That's good news to hear. There I got the car set up, picked up for today. So they good. Yeah, I got apologize Friday. They was train a little behind again. Like, probably go sometime Friday evening around 4:30 because they all show up behind. Like, it's all good. It's already 3:05 Sunday evening. Sunday 30th. Then we got to go see a train tomorrow. Me and Dad do some bike stuff tomorrow. I don't have to come up and change the train. I think this will be enough for record now. Well, we gotta go snow, so I'll record it for today. That'll be enough. Yeah, it's low, good enough. No train cars aren't going south, but I think the cars picking up, so they are stacking them up. Good to go. Well, they leave Alabama after riding big cars off. Big cars should be coming. So, it already flew by struggling, which is far already out. So it flew there already. It came up here. Flew and came up here and slowed down. It flew here a little bit and slowed down already. Well, I think big cars already coming. So the van already switched already. I think Columbus District already there, so that'd be enough. Sorry when you get to see Eastbound Friday and Saturday. Friday. Cause I don't know why they get. Oh, because the weather. So it might have came yesterday, I would say. It's all good though. Let's stay here. Okay. Yes, leave it right there. Checking on mom's. She should. Yeah, that's enough. I'm good. Man, I gotta go tomorrow. Get some bike though. I gotta ride with some bikes. Anyway, I gotta come back. But tomorrow's Memorial Day, so I'm not coming back. But it'll be Friday though. But I think that week probably out of town, so probably probably come back and see y'all probably mid-June. I think be in mid-June. I think. Good news is the good news I ain't gonna come by tomorrow. That's be enough I can record for now. Oh, we went by downtown. It's already going downtown now. Don't hear anything wrong. It's already gone. But yeah, I'm gonna record this for now. I know it's still long, but hopefully. I get through recording this, that'll be it for today. Well, eat something, get some rest, and tomorrow's little bite day. Tomorrow's bite day memorial. That's it. At the end over there. Yeah, slow down already. That's all I got to record for today, and I apologize for Friday. Train all be behind, or probably didn't come because the weather might have came yesterday. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's all I got for today, y'all. Unless we ain't gotta go back downtown, it'll be next Friday. But me and Mom get some neat little store, and that'll be it. Alright, y'all, blessed day, y'all. Y'all for watching. See you back next Friday.